leg wide open. Outside. Inhale. Exhale. Open. Breathe forward. Breathe. Exhale. Inhale. Palms down. Fingers widely open. Make L. Crawl forward. Shoulder relax. Back relax. Exhale. Take control on a big toe. Breathe. Inhale. Crawl back. Exhale. Stay here. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale from mouth. One more time. Very slowly. Crawl forward. And when you're confident and ready, inhale. Inhale. Backward. Flat back. Breathe. Exhale. Now we're going to open up the hip. Open up the hip. We'll be converting the forward fold with the Malasana. Those who have lower back pain will stop here. Those who have sciatica will stop here. But those who are healthy will start with me. Wide leg. Push with the hip. Inhale. Hinge at the hip. There should be anterior pelvic tilt like this. See? Watch me. Like this. Anterior pelvic tilt. Then come down. Back. Hold the big toe. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Knees under your armpit. Those who have back pain should avoid. Inhale. Control very simply, gradually. Now we are going to open up the hamstring and hip. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Students. Breathe. Knees, the hamstrings are very, very tight. And exhale. And those who have lower back pain, please stop here. Okay, stop here. Exhale. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. See, check your zone. Inhale up. Why this exercise is good? This is going to help you hinge rather you use your back. Inhale one more time. Up. Exhale. Now settle down on a mat. And the block you have, the two yoga blocks you have. So sitting in a supported Balasana, and those who have healthy back, they can raise their self up and exhale. Inhale up, exhale. The sound coming from the knees, please notice these. That's why the slow movement before Malasana is very important, so that joint gets lubricated. Inhale up. Exhale. Settle down. Palms down, palms out. Breathe. Now feel. Connect with your body. Hip is opening up. Relax your body. Toes 45 degree out. 45 degree out. 45 degree out. Open up. And if you have difficulty, push with the knee. Excellent pose for emotional release. Inhale. Exhale. This exercise will not injure you, rather will help you increase the mobility, what you're looking for. People spend years making the mobility good, but this workout, push. Now both knees push open. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Remember the exhale from mouth will help you relax these muscles. Now palms out. Breathe. More out, more out, more, extend, more. Now, where are you feeling the pose? Is the thigh? Is the hip? Is the glute medius, my main muscle? Breathe, inhale from nose. Exhale. When you feel burning, this means time to let go. Come back center. Extend the right leg out. Heel down, toes up. Heel down, toes up. You will feel good emotionally after these poses. Why? Because we store trauma in the hip. So when you open up the hip, you feel relaxed emotionally. Plus the music, you are connected. Heel down, toes up. Beautiful pose. Excellent. I'm getting goosebumps now. Heel down, toes up. Excellent. Hands forward. Now, where the stretches is the inner thigh. Here, feel it. Here. And the medial side. Slowly opening without injury. More open. More. Breathe. The more you go forward, the more this space will open up. Breathe. Heel down, toes up. Excellent. You inhale from nose. Back relax, guys. Back relax. Shoulder relax. Exhale. 5 breaths. It takes 5 breaths to open up. You can rub if it's too much for you. Exhale. And those who are using the one block, more intense one. Exhale. Now try to bring the big toe down. Manipulate. You can do it. Manipulate. Down. Excellent. Now breathe. Breathe. 2 blocks. Inhale. Exhale. 5, 4, 3. Completely manipulate the. Excellent. So what we are doing, we are manipulating the joint like this in thigh hip joint. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. Back straight. Shoulder relaxed. And now the opposite leg also is started to open up. You can feel it here also, the side of the abdomen. Now come back center. So we will neutralize because this is a very sensitive part. This can get injured and can hurt the knee. So we're going to sit in a butterfly. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Take your breath. The next. Exhale. Left leg out. Right leg is extending at 90. Opening up the hip, heel down, toes up, and palms down. Slowly, gradually take control of your body because your central nervous system is scared to let you open up the hamstring. Why we are not able to hip hinge? Because the central nervous system, not the muscle. Okay, so breathe now. This will become easy. Inhale. Exhale, back straight, shoulder relax, breathe. Now, bring the big toe down. Push this part down. Exhale. Go slow. This workout is proven that does not cause any injury, and this will help you improve the ability of your hip to work more. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Now we are ready. Let's perform the pigeon. We are ready for the pigeon. We are going to go in a down dog. White leg, toes 45 degree out. Inhale. Push your hip backward. Exhale. Hip hinge. Entire pelvic tilt. Palms down. Crawl forward. Now bring the legs together. Okay. Down dog, breathe. In a down dog, raise your right knee up. Bend the right knee up. Inhale. Exhale and bring the right foot slowly forward in a V shape. And now should correct the pose. I'm going to push myself using the back foot and take block. Those who are beginner, take block with you. Now, keep it below your shoulder and rest your palm and relax. Breathe. We'll take 5 breaths to open up. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your shoulder. See, I'm engaging my shoulder like this. I'll hurt myself. Relax. Bend your elbow. Connect what you're feeling. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more breaths. The leg which is out, the hamstring is opening up. Now you can go down on the elbow. It's intense now. Inhale. Exhale. breathe. Take 5 breaths specifically to open up. Inhale. Exhale. Now raise yourself up, palms on a block, and try to kick your hip using your heel. Be very careful when you do it, because we are back bending, arching the back. If you do like this, it's not good. You're supposed to lift yourself up, Wes. Lift yourself up. Use block. Exhale. 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 Lift yourself up. Thunderbolt. Breathe. Gain some strength. Now the other leg, left leg. Palms down. Stretch your arms. Lift yourself up. Inhale, exhale, down dog. Inhale, lift your left knee up. Pigeon. And pigeon, try to bring the hip down. Use the back leg, the right leg. Push and open it. Bring the blocks together. Palms on the block. Lift yourself up. Bend your elbow. Breathe. Now elbow down. Breathe. Lift yourself up and try to kick the right hip with the left heel firm. Take a control of your body, what you're feeling, where you're connecting, where you're stuck, what is your range of motion, and how you're gonna improve it without injury. And 5. And how to unlock. Bring the left knee backward, lift yourself up, and a thunderbolt. Now we use the stretch bands. Some right leg toes facing right. Watch your back foot. Back foot toes facing 45 degree. Lock the back foot at 45 degree. The ankle should be locked. Lock it. Bring more 45. More back 45. More 45. More. Yes. And put all the weight on the side plate of the leg. Okay. So right leg, knee straight, toes facing forward. Back leg, left foot, toes 45 degrees. Placing my 50% weight on the side plate, ankle lock. Right palm on the right thigh, left palm on the back, lower back like this. Fingers pointing down, chest open, shoulder relax. Inhale. Exhale, bend the knee 90 degree. Hold. Down, more down. See, 90, 90, 90. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. If the knee is going inward, this is wrong. You're going to hurt yourself. Should be straight. Check your knee alignment. Exhale. Deeper. Inhale. Lift. Straighten up the knee. Exhale. Deeper. One more time. Inhale. Straighten the knee. Inhale. Lift the hip. Exhale. 90 degree. Hold. Lift yourself. Now, transition. Left toes pointing to the left. Right leg 45 degree ankle lock. Using the side plate. Check for the knee alignment. Palms on the thigh, the back. Inhale. Exhale. Check the knee alignment. Then there should be no pain. Exhale. Lift yourself. Straighten up the knee again. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your pelvic floor. And you will be able to use your core. Lift yourself up. Inhale. Exhale. Deeper, deeper, deeper. Lift yourself up 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Excellent. So this is the correct way to start the warrior. Start with the right leg forward, left leg backward, left ankle lock. Now learn this. Keep breathing. Turn your belly forward direction. Control. Arms up, warrior one. Now turn your belly. Warrior two. Palms down on the floor. Reverse warrior. Palms like this. Right palm down. Use the block if you are not able to reach left arm up. Lift yourself up. Use the block. Block. Right leg forward, left leg back. Warrior. Turn the belly, warrior one. Turn the belly straight, warrior two. Left palm down, warrior three. Right arm up. Use the block. Side angle. Left arm up. And now the bonding. So use the band. It's very difficult to explain. Right elbow passing from the right thigh. And use the stretch band if you are not able to. If your palms are not meeting, use the stretch band to hold first. Start with the left leg. If you perform it correctly, it's very, very difficult. So let's perform correctly with the left leg. Okay, left leg guys, left leg. Okay. Left leg forward. Toes facing forward. Right leg backward. 45-degree ankle lock. Open wide guys. Left palm on the left thigh. Right hand on the belly. Inhale. Exhale. Warrior. One more time. 5. Deeper. 4. 3. Gain some strength. You are stronger than what you think. One more time. Turn the belly. Warrior 1. Warrior 2. Warrior 3. Okay. And then the bonding. Elbow is going to pass from the left thigh. Palms down, child pose. First child pose of the day. Gain some strength. So what is the correct method? Sit in a thunderbolt first. Thunderbolt. Lift your hip up. If you are not comfortable, put the cushion or the double mat below the knees. Right leg forward. 90 degree. Check the 90 degree and the alignment. Alignment should be correct. Bring the block below your shoulder. And extend your right leg, heel down, toes up. Maximum open. Maximum open. Breathe. Breathe. Now inhale. 90 degree, open up. Low lunge. 90 degree. Exhale. Straighten, heel down, toes up. And move from the hip. Hinge. Exhale. As much as comfortable you are. Exhale. Lift yourself up. Inhale, bend the knee. This is a half split. Exhale. Back should be straight, okay? Move from the hip. Exhale. Breathe. Inhale. You feel it here, the top part of the thigh and the back foot. Exhale. Split. And when you split, you get a lot of sensation in the right hamstring. Bring it back. Raise your hip up. Inhale. Exhale, left foot forward. Extend the leg fully. Fully open. Heel down, toes up. Heel down, toes up. It should not go right and left. Straight. Inhale. Palms on the block. Control. Inhale. Exhale. Split half and hinge from the hip. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So now we are going to perform without block. How it works. Excellent workout. Inhale, lift yourself up. Right leg forward. Interlace your finger behind your head. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale.